Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create um, Twitch tags effect in CapCut PC. So first, I'm just going to add this blank screen. Select text, default text. So you can change for text. Sorry. Change for the font. Style, font size, color. Right. Select the clips, right click. Select the clips, right click, create component clip. Go to effect and you can find the on trending switch. This is perfect and this is new effect from CapCut. You have to join proper to be able to use this effect. Just download it and upload on. Just click add to the track. Just 40 bars, strength, close, E at the right. Right, slow, speed. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.